SURG Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. It's interesting. I mean, it's 9% up, so I love the increase and slow, steady uptrend. But I'm gonna stick to my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos. I've done I invested 5 figures in courses and mentors, and I have more videos documented than anyone else in this space. With Surge, when I made this prediction, since then it's been cooking. Well, let me check if it's here. Nope, it's right here. It was made 3 days ago. You can see I only got 23 views, which is really sad. But this is my exact confirmation, right? There you go. This is the 30-minute chart. And guess what happened? Made exactly that.
Not wanting, but
I'm just gonna pause this. Here's that proof, and all I'm doing right now is just waiting because this is already delivering. So what else can I do? Nothing. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.